See, there's the squirrel. And there's the bird. Look, look, there he goes. Oh. Hey. I think they're fighting over some food or something. The bird's gone to the fence, but it'll come back in a minute. Watch.
The squirrel bush.
Here he goes. Here he goes. Here goes the squirrel again.
That's funny. That's funny.
Here they go again. Here they go again.
They're taking video.
Yeah. Oh, there's another bird now.
There are two. That's funny.
One bird's now on the swing, one's on the roof. Here he come. Oh, here they come again. Here they come. Oh, lost him. Lost him. Zooming too much. Who's going to win, do you think?
The squirrel. I want the squirrel to win. He bumped into the swing.
Yeah, where's the other bird? The other bird's just sitting there watching on the swing. Oh, oh, they're both on the swing now. Sorry, squirrel, you can't fly or jump that high.
I'm taking a video.
Oh yeah, getting all of them.
Another word!
Oh, how many birds have we got now? Oh, they've gone up on there.
Wait.
Hang on, there's a battle going on down here. Oh, we've got 3 birds now. That squirrel's heavily outnumbered. Where is he? Oh, there they go again. Here they go.
Now bird chasing the squirrel.
Here they go again.
Here they go again.
Where's the squirrel now? Oh, he's on the tree.
Where's the squirrel?
The squirrel's on the tree. There it goes again.
A squirrel.
Oh, another bird's coming up. We've got a blackbird joining now.
2 blackbirds.
Poor old squirrel, eh?
What? What'd you say?
I said, poor squirrel. He's massively outnumbered now.
I want the squirrel to win.
You want the squirrel to win, do you?
Yeah. No, I said I want the squirrel to win. Who do you want to win?
I think the birds have given up. They've all gone, look. Look there. I think the squirrel's won. He's frightened them all off. Oh no, no, hang on, there went a bird.
The squirrel won. I wanted it to win.
I think he's frightened them all off.
But I can easily.
What's he doing now? Jumping all over the place, look.
I can easily beat up a squirrel, though. Can you? Who do you want to win?
Oh, I think the squirrel has won anyway.
But who?